Hi, this is Anu and welcome to my channel Anu Loves Art. In this series, we are learning about Indian folk art called Warli. We have seen how to draw basic Warli elements, borders, trees, animals, houses, and Warli human beings. If you have missed these sessions, I'll be adding the links in the description below. Today, in the last episode of the series, we will be learning about Tarpa Dance. Tarpa is a musical instrument like hornpipe or trumpet, measuring about 3 to 4 feet in height, made from dried out lauki, bamboos, and leaves. The Tarpa dance is performed during the harvest season and other rituals. All the dancers hold hands, swing and sing around the musician playing the tarpa. They dance past midnight. Tarpa dance is very popular and is an important aspect seen in all Warli paintings. Let's learn how to draw Tarpa dance. We shall start drawing a musician playing a Tarpa instrument in the center of the dance. This is a typical Tarpa dance painting. However, in the original dance form, the dancers dance in spirals rather than closed circles. You can draw some basic freehand guidelines or alternatively use compass. Now we can use two inverted triangles to create human figures. Some simple techniques can help to avoid slanted figures. Also in Tarpa dance, the dancers always face the musician and never show their backs to the musician. Alternate dancers hold hands at the back near waist to form a very tight human chain. The first person in the chain is the leader and holds a stick. He changes the actions based on the music, and all the other dancers follow him. Typically, there are about 50 to 100 dancers in a Warli dance. You can see that although it looks difficult, if you follow the step-by-step method and have a lot of patience, you should be able to create this intricate Tarpa dance painting. So this brings us to the end of the series. I have absolutely enjoyed creating this series and sharing my understanding about this beautiful and unique tribal art. If you're interested in learning more or attend workshops in Warli art, or if you have any topic suggestions for future art series, please let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Anu Loves Art. Be creative, take care. Until next time, bye bye.